This is what we're known for. Ní Ọ̀yọ́ sí bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe lè le tó, but when we sit down, we won't resolve it, and we won't do what is right and proper for our people. So I consulted àwọn bàbá mi mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta, the Alaafin of Ọ̀yọ́, the Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn àti Kábíyèsí Ṣọ̀ún. And the agreement ni pé they will start the rotation pẹ̀lú Kábíyèsí Olúbàdàn of Ìbàdàn land. So on that basis, I hereby pronounce the Oyo State Council of Obas and Chiefs inaugurated.
Through consultations, we can achieve more. We are closer to the people. People normally trust us because they know that we are not a partisan. We are not going to stand for elections, so there's nothing we can tell them which they will not believe because they know that it's not because we are asking for votes. We don't have tenures. So the only thing that we have is that our domains should be safe. Our domains should make progress. Our domains must be conducive to all of us electing.
We also have the CGs exit the room. Here with your boss or a Hello. So please, let's ensure some decorum.
The inauguration of this council underscores the unwavering commitment of the state government under the visionary leadership of His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, Nigerianpolitics. To strengthen collaboration between government and traditional institutions, it is our belief that the governance is most effective when modern administrative structures work hand in hand with time-honored traditional leadership.